Guys, welcome back to my channel. I was gonna give you guys a little rundown of what me and my roommate been up to. He's been helping me a lot, working on these two trucks. I originally had that DX, but obviously it doesn't have no power windows, no power door locks. It does suck when you're driving and you can't pull the other window because you know you're in a red light, and hopefully you time it before the light turns green. So you know that gets tiring real quick, especially these trucks are wide, so you know you're distance away from the other side, so you know it makes it easier. This is the SR5 model. What that means, it is power windows, power door locks. As you can tell, it is a leather edition. I don't mind the leather. So yeah, the 4Runner has leather. I'm used to it. Replaced the steering wheel. I could find these at the junkyard. I have good odds I could find one off a 4Runner, maybe another T100, Tacoma. I believe the Tundra ones are bigger and more plush, so we'll see that. And they are the manuals, so they're not, they're not power, so we're good. Could find that easily, fix the little stuff right there. But yeah, my plan is to take these off, especially. I already had and replaced the tail light from the DX, and they were better condition. So I replaced and put on that truck. I'm gonna replace and put the wheels and rims over here on this side to this truck. I'm gonna put that metal rack on that truck. As you can tell, the toolbox is already there. I'm gonna put that one, change the rims and tires like I said, and sell this one. This is a good work truck for someone that wants to, put it to work. Change the bumper. Bumper is kind of busted right there a little bit. So yeah, started to make a quick video. Maybe there's a girl right there. The DX, the headlights. Put that back, all that, and sell that truck. And yeah, the body panels are better off on this truck too. Let's have it. Same mileage. Honestly, same mileage. Maybe I think this one has like 5,000 more, but same engine. Sit downs. It's not leather. It's the regular one. So give you guys a little quick tour of this one as well. You can tell. I mean, personally, this is a little cleaner, Change the LED lights back to the other one. Same concept. Same concept. So just change it up and it'll be fine. Right on. Alright guys, like I said, make sure you guys keep it tuned.